What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be cleaning these New Balances that are super cooked, as you can see. Now this shoe is really awesome. New Balance did a collaboration with Aime Leon, which, as you guys know, the vibrant colors is what they're known for their brand. We got the yellow, the pink, and the blue here, and a hint of green, which is really awesome. One thing I also want to point out is the floral insole. Now when these first released, guys, they retailed for like $230, and you already know, sold out everywhere. And it's crazy that the price on these definitely went up, so we definitely want to get these cleaned so that way I can go ahead and wear them because I think they're my size. The products I am going to be using today, guys, are the new cleaning mat, which is my new favorite product. It's going to help clean or keep the area nice and clean and soak up all the water, so I'm definitely excited to use that. Our new microfiber towel. We're going to be using the essential kit, which comes with our soft brush, our stiff brush, and our medium brush, along with the 4-ounce bottle solution, but we've already used this one, so we'll just continue using it. I am also going to be using our collapsible bowl and a pair of adjustable shoe trees, which are going to help keep form and also allow me to apply more pressure on that toe box. So let's go ahead and get into this cleaning. So for today's video, I am only going to be cleaning the left shoe. So I'm going to put the right one on the floor. Now the first step is to always remove the laces, and then we'll go ahead and adjust the shoe tree and put it inside of the shoe. So now that the laces are removed, we are going to grab our adjustable shoe tree. Now I thought these were my size, but they are a 9.5. So we're going to go ahead and take it up to about the 7th hole here, just like that. Now our new shoe trees do fit up to a size 13. So that is a question we get a lot. Go ahead and just push it all the way down. And what that's going to do is allow the shoe to get its form back and also allow me to apply more pressure on this toe box and get this material really clean. Now guys, we're gonna go ahead and grab our bottle of solution, open it up, just a couple of squirts into your bowl. Unless you're cleaning multiple pairs, you might need to add some more solution, but if not, just one pair or one shoe, that's gonna be good enough. And we're gonna start the cleaning with the Soft Bristle Brush. Now guys, with a shoe like this that has multiple materials, this one's predominantly made out of suede, but it does have like leather and nubuck on the uppers. You wanna make sure anytime you are cleaning suede, you don't wanna oversaturate the material. Now, I'm pretty sure this gray isn't gonna fade, but when you come across dyed suede, such as red suede, blue suede, yellow, any dyed suede, you do have a chance of it bleeding color, so do be careful. I do recommend testing a small area on the back before cleaning the entire shoe. I don't have any concerns with this gray, but you still want to make sure you don't oversaturate it and get a nice little cleaning done. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pause real quick on cleaning this tongue. And one thing I do want to point out is the color on this tongue is starting to kind of fade a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. There was a vibrant yellow, and now it's kind of turning into like a, I don't know, like a green maybe, like bluish kind of green color. I don't know if it's gonna change after it dries. It could just look like that now that it's wet, but just do be careful. If you do notice that, you know, you might want to pause and not continue cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I want to find out what's gonna happen. But hopefully it, you know, it dries up and it stays that yellow color. So I'm done using the soft brush on the uppers, and I'm pretty happy with the results that I'm getting so far. Now there are a few little scuffs here that I'm gonna go back over with the medium brush, but we're gonna do that next, hit the midsole, and then we'll hit the outsole with the stiff brush. But before I go ahead and move on, one other section that I do wanna point out, guys, is this back tab here. Now this nubuck was dyed blue, and as I mentioned, anytime you come across any dyed like suede material that's similar to that, you do risk the chance of it bleeding. Now you can kind of see blue here. Now I'm pretty sure I'll be able to remove that with the medium brush, so I'm not too worried, but do be careful when you are cleaning shoes like this. All right, guys, so I hit up the midsole with that medium bristle brush along with the scuffs, and as you can see, I went ahead and got rid of them there. Go ahead and check out the shoe real quick 360. Now there are certain spots that are still wet on the suede, and I'm not really worried about it. As long as you make sure to clean the entire shoe evenly, it should dry evenly and you should have no problems. Next step, guys, is to go ahead and clean the outsole. Now this one isn't looking too bad. There's just a few dirt marks and scuffs here and there. So what you want to do is grab your stiff brush and just let the brush do its thing. Clean. Go ahead and check that out. All right, guys, so that is it for the shoe cleaning. The last step is gonna be our laces. So all you wanna do is dump these into your bowl of water and solution mixture. Make sure to get those nice and soapy. If you wanted to leave them in there for a few minutes to get like real soaped up, you can. However, there's no need to. Just rub them in between your hands, get a nice good scrub. This is where the mat really goes to work, soaking up all this water. So there you go, guys. Laces are nice and clean. Now the last step to do is let the shoes dry, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so we are back. We went ahead and let these dry for a couple hours while we filmed other videos, because that's how we do it here at Reshoevn8r. So I hit up the side right here a few times, and I just want to show you guys. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up on camera, but I hope it does. It goes from like a darker suede to the light, and then you can kind of see it back and forth. Now on this side, it won't do it at all, and that's because I haven't hit it. You can kind of hear it on the mic. It's a little crunchy. Over here, it's nice and soft. Wait, let me get to the other side. Garbage. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. Let me go ahead and recap exactly what I did. So remember, I did use the essential kit that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com, along with the cleaning mat, the collapsible bowl, and the pair of shoe trees. Now I used a soft brush to clean the entire uppers. On the midsole, I went ahead and used the medium brush to take care of that. And lastly, the stiff brush took care of all the dirt on the outsole. As you can see, the shoe came out really, really good. And as I mentioned earlier, the suede is now super butter. You can't argue with that, guys. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, and be a part of the Reshoevn8r family. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time.